So the way to open the door handle is you should open these two bolts. Be careful and use a magnet screw, something similar to this, so this one doesn't fall inside. After opening it, I found out that this was broken, this thing. It's broken here. So, and here there was this piece. So I guess this thing hang here. So I just removed the key fob from the handle, or let's say the keyhole, and well, this thing is broken. This thing is broken here, and it's connect here somehow like this, and this piece, it's supposed to connect with the blue thing that is here down, and every time you pull it, you basically just open the door. So this is how the mechanism works, and this is like the common problem. So you have to change the whole door handle. I think this thing goes inside like this, and this part that connects to the door handle. So this is the old one and this is the new one. Let us see the difference. So this piece broke from the old one. It's here in the new one. So what we have to do is, so this was here. We have to remove this. We have to remove this piece of metal and install it here. So I removed this metal piece from the old door handle to the new one. So this will have to be connected to the piece that is here, where it is. It's here inside this thing, the blue one. One important note: when you are closing this thing, keep this bolt not installed. So you can, after you install it, you will have to close it from outside, from this hole. So the bolt is coming from inside until this hole to here. Be careful installing the bolts here or removing them so they don't fall in the hole.